التوبيك اللي هنتكلم عنه هو Decision Support System or DSS. What is DSS? A Decision Support System is an information system that supports business or organizational decision-making activities. ال DSS هو نظام معلومات بيدعم الأعمال وأنشطة صناعة القرارات التنظيمية. DSS serves the management, operations, and the planning levels of organization, usually mid and higher management. ال DSS بيخدم المنظمة والعمليات ومستويات التخطيط للمنظمة اللي عادة بتكون للإدارة المتوسطة والعالية and help people make decisions about problems that may be unstructured and semi-structured decisions problems. مساعدة الناس في اتخاذ قرارات بخصوص المشاكل اللي ممكن تكون مشاكل غير منظمة أو شبه منظمة.
There are 5 types of DSS: data-driven, communication-driven, model-driven, knowledge-driven, and document-driven. The first type is communication-driven DSS. Most of them target the internal teams, including partners, and its main purpose is for these internal users to collaborate زي أي chat أو أي live أو الجروب chat اللي عملنا فيه البروجكت ده مثلا. The second type is data-driven DSS. Most of these are targeted at managers, staff, and also suppliers. It's used in getting access to specific answers for specific questions from a certain database. زي كده لو حد من الشؤون عايز يستفسر عن طالب معين فبيدخل على الداتابيس اللي عندهم في الكمبيوتر ويكتب اسم الطالب ده وكل حاجة عن الطالب بتطلع له، زي مثلا شهادة الثانوية أو أي حاجة في الفايل بتاعه عامة. The third type is document-driven DSS. They're the most common, and its purpose is to find documentation by searching a specific set of keywords. زي مثلا لو نزلنا السلايدز على كمبيوتر موبايل أو أي حاجة وجينا نسيرش على part 1 من أي حاجة من أي مادة هتطلع لنا إن السلايدز already documented على الديفايس ده. The fourth type is knowledge-driven DSS or knowledge base. They cover a broad range of systems like users within the organization and also others interacting with the organization, like the consumers. And it's essentially used to provide management advice or to choose products or services. The fifth and last type is the model-driven DSS. And it's complex systems that uses data provided by users to help analyze a decision. And they're used by managers and staff members of any business or people who interact with the same business. But it essentially depends on user criteria.
The components of DSS. يا ترى ايه هي مكونات ال DSS؟ عندنا ال database والموديل base والuser interface. نيجي بقى للاتريبيوتس of DSS. ايه هي الصفات او سمات ال DSS؟ adaptability and flexibility، قدرة على التكيف والمرونة، high level of interactivity، مستوى عالي من التفاعل، ease of use، سهولة في الاستخدام، efficiency and effectiveness، الكفاءة والفاعلية، complete control by decision making، السيطرة كاملة عن طريق اتخاذ القرارات، ease of development، سهل التطوير، extendability، تمدد، support for modeling and analysis، يدعم النمذجة والتحليل، وأخيرا support for data access، يدعم الدخول إلى البيانات.
Benefits from DSS: improves efficiency and speed of decision-making activities, increase the control, competitiveness, and capability of futuristic decision-making of an organization, facilitates interpersonal communication, encourage learning or training. Since it's mostly used in non-programmed decisions, it reveals new approaches and sets up new evidence for an unusual decision, helps automate managerial process. There are 2 types of decisions: programmed decisions and non-programmed decisions. Programmed decisions are basically automated process, general routine work where these decisions have been taken several times. These decisions have some guidelines or rules. For example, selecting a reorder level for inventories is a programmed decision. On the other hand, non-programmed decisions occur in unusual or non-address situation. So it would be considered as a new decision. There will be no rules to follow. Uh, these decisions are made based on the available information. These decisions are based on the manager's directions, instinct, perspection, and judgment. For example, investing in a new technology is a non-programmed decision. Decision support system generally involve non-programmed decisions. Therefore, there will be no exact report, content, or format for these systems. Reports are generated on the fly. We have four types of DSS. The first of them is the ALS. Executive Information System is used by executive for strategic decisions. Then we have the Decision Support System. Decision Support System is used by senior managers for decision making. Then we have the Management Information System. Management Information System is used by manager for operational efficiency. Then the last step that we have is the Transaction Processing System. The Transaction Processing System is used by workers for basic reporting. Characteristics of a DSS. Supports for decision makers in semi-structured and unstructured problems. Supports for managers at various managerial levels, ranging from top executive to line managers. Supports for individual and group less structured problems often requires the involvement of several individuals from different departments and organization level. Supports for independent or sequential decisions. Supports for intelligence, design, choice, and implementations. Supports for variety of decision process and styles. DSS are adaptive over time.